안녕하세요. Welcome everyone again. So for today, we will have another sentence and this sentence is he gives a gift. And we will break down this sentence into bite-sized Korean so we can understand it more. So, to keep this sentence simple, we will only use the informal polite form. So in Korean, the grammar pattern is he plus the topic particle nun plus gift plus the object particle ul, and finally the simple present tense form of the verb give. So in Korean, it is 그는 선물을 줘요. 그는 선물을 줘요. Alright, so let us now break down our sentence. So the first one is our topic noun he, which in Korean is pronounced as 그, 그. Okay, so next we have here our topic noun he with our topic particle nun. So in Korean, if we put them together, it is pronounced as 그는, 그는. The next one, we have here our object noun gift, or in Korean, it is 선물, 선물. And for the next one, we have here our object noun gift and our object particle ul. So if we put them together, it is pronounced as 선물을, 선물을. And the last one, finally, we have here the present simple tense form of the verb give, which in Korean it is 줘요, 줘요. Alright, let's put it all together once again. Let's do it one more time. The sentence in Korean is 그는 선물을 줘요. 그는 선물을 줘요. Okay, and now it's your turn. Alright, very good once again. Thank you for listening and see you again on our next videos. 화이팅!